Welcome back to English Learning. Before starting the video, if you have not subscribed to my channel, then please click on the subscribe button and bell icon to get all the latest updates. So in this video, I will explain prepositions. So let's get started. What is the meaning of prepositions? Prepositions tells us the position of something in relation to another. A preposition is a word which is placed before a noun or a pronoun to show its relation in a sentence. इसका मतलब ये है कि preposition ऐसे words होते हैं जो nouns या pronouns से पहले use होते हैं और noun और जो उससे next word है उसमें एक relation बताता है preposition. There are some commonly used prepositions, for example, in, from, over, under, below, beside, for, at, by, of, up, out, of, on, through, with, among, above, between, towards. Now look at the examples of prepositions in a sentence. First is Ritu is going up the stairs. So the underlined word up is a preposition because it is placed before a noun stairs and also it is showing the relation with Ritu that she is going upstairs. Next, I finished reading the book in 3 days. So the word in is a preposition. Now, the types of prepositions. It is divided into two parts based on their use in a sentence, and also it is further divided into three types: preposition of place, preposition of time, and preposition of movement. And next part is based on the construction of prepositions themselves. Also, it is further divided into four types: simple prepositions, double preposition, compound preposition, and participle prepositions. Look at all the types of prepositions in detail. First is preposition of place. It refers to those prepositions which can be used to show where something is located. For example, above, up, down, after, on, before, against, by, behind, below, along, near, in, at, across, inside, under, between, over. Look at some examples of prepositions of place. First is the dog buried the bone under the ground. So the word under is a preposition of place because it tells us where the bone is buried. Next, our house is at the end of the street. So at is the preposition of place because it tells us where our house is located. Next, the cat ran across the road. So across is the preposition of place because it tells us where the cat ran. Now next type of preposition is preposition of time. It tells that at what time an event occurred. A preposition of time helps to link the noun or pronoun with the time value. इसका मतलब ये है कि preposition of time बताता है कि event कब हुआ या कब होगा. Some preposition of time are about, before, for, by, around, in, ago, at, past, since, to, on, after, until, between, during. Now look at some examples of prepositions of time. First is the train is about an hour late. So about is the preposition of time because it tells that at what time the train will arrive. Next, the classes begin at 8 o'clock. So at is the preposition of time. Next, my birthday falls on Wednesday. So on is the preposition of time. Next type of preposition is preposition of movement. It is used to show movement to or from a place. एक जगह से दूसरी जगह में कहाँ movement हुई उसको हम preposition of movement कहते हैं. For example, down, past, into, behind, up, onto, through, off, over, on, across, at, by, for, after, towards. Now look at some examples of prepositions of movement. First is the cat has climbed up a tree. So up is the preposition of movement. It tells that where the cat has climbed. Next, the children got off the bus. So off is the preposition of movement. Next, the bus goes towards the market. So towards is the preposition of movement. Next type of preposition is simple preposition. Preposition that consists of one word and are very simple to understand are called simple prepositions. ऐसे prepositions जो सिर्फ एक word के होते हैं उनको हम simple prepositions बोलते हैं. For example, above, under, around, through, on, after, below, before, about, among, behind, along, near, down, in, at, across, between, over. Now look at some of the examples of simple prepositions. First is the paper is on my desk. So on is a simple preposition. Next, I will meet you near your house at 5 p.m. So at is a simple preposition. Next is double preposition. Double prepositions are two prepositions but are joined to make a new word. इसका मतलब ये है कि दो prepositions होते हैं पर उन दोनों prepositions को मिला के एक word बनता है, उनको double prepositions बोलते हैं. For example, inside, outside, into, onto, upon, up to, within, without. Look at some examples of double prepositions. First is outside the house lies a beautiful garden. So outside is the double preposition. Next, it is up to us to find a way out. So up to is the double preposition. Next, the dog jumped onto the bed. So onto is the double preposition. Next is compound preposition. Compound prepositions are two-word prepositions. They are not joined and not turned into one word. They remain as two different words. इसका मतलब ये है कि compound preposition दो word prepositions होते हैं और इनको join करके new word नहीं बनाते बल्कि ये as it is two words ही रहते हैं. For example, according to, apart from, close to, because of, far from, next to, rather than, instead of, out of, due to, relating to, in front of. Now look at some examples of compound preposition. First is my car is parked in front of the house. So in front of is the compound preposition. Next, Ria was never close to her parents. So close to is a compound preposition. Next, she cannot stay here as of now. So as of is a compound preposition. Now next and the last type of preposition is participle preposition. They are basically participles used as prepositions. पार्टिसिपल वर्ब होते हैं जो एंड होते हैं en या ing से. For example, concerning, during, given, excluding, following, failing, respected, provided, including. Now look at the examples of participle preposition. First is everywhere my friend went, his dog was following him. So following is the participle preposition. Next, Ram is always curious about anything concerning Shyam. So concerning is a participle preposition. So that's all for now. Next video में uses of prepositions करेंगे. So till then stay tuned and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.